Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add dynamic captions to your videos on CapCut. So here I've already added a clip and I want to add the captions into this clip. So what you need to do is just go to text and click on the auto captions, and in here just click on start. Don't forget to adjust the language and also the sound source to the clips and click on start. Now CapCut will create the auto captions. Okay, so just wait. Okay, now the caption has been created and you can see that the caption is now like a plain captions like this, and if you want to make it dynamic you can just add animations. So click on the caption and then go to the animations tab, click on the captions, and in here just choose the one that you want. You can use this pop up if you want to make it looks more dynamic. You can see it will pop up word by word. Just click on a check icon, then the caption will become like this. If you want, you can also change the style of the captions to your liking. For example, I want to make it like this, and I'm going to make it bigger, the size, and that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.